I grew up with my grandmother back home in Portugal. So she was the one who raised me, and I always loved to be around elderly people since I was a child. I like to be with people. I like to work and help other people. I get here at 7:30. I organize my carts, prepare my supply to clean all the rooms. There's specific products like for disinfecting to kill bacteria. We have products to sanitize as well. We do the infection control on a daily basis. That you're using the proper equipment. You have to use hand sanitizer, gloves, and the products itself, I have to use it on a daily basis for disinfection. We keep it clean, and not just only for myself, it's among for each one of us that work here. Through this COVID situation, make sure I had proper equipment, the PPEs, and make sure that the units had a proper amount of equipment. It's very important because that's their space, their home. These elderly people are here because they need our help. I try to clean it as much as possible, dusting, high-low dust, mopping, disinfecting, everything that's needed within their personal space. So when I'm cleaning and having their personal belongings, I just try my best to clean around it, or maybe just tell them. Then they just probably remove it from the surface where it's at. So in order for me to go there and do the cleaning, you have to have a lot of patience, be caring, respect them, and there's a lot of hands-on. If you create some sort of dignity to give to the residents, I think you're okay to work in a field like this. And they appreciate how much that I do for them. They see me very frequently and they know me. And that's how we kind of create our, to know each other. They ask me questions and we kind of go along on a daily basis where we create some sort of a relationship. And so she started to know me. She say, how are you? And I said, I'm good. She asks about my children, my home lifestyle, and she tells me a little bit about herself. We have sometimes short chats and longer chats. I love working with elderly people. I do this because I love the job that I do. Yeah.